Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to import fonts on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and the first things that we're gonna do is we want to make sure that our font is now imported into our CapCut. So to do that, we have an example right here. So this is my example font. So if you don't have this, then I suggest that you download your font first. So your downloaded file would most likely contain TTF file or OTF file, and then you want to double click on it and you want to click on install right here. And as you can see, it's already installed in my case, so I'll just go for yes right here. And now it's installed. Now I can view it in my CapCut fonts right here. And now when I add a text, so go to text right here, add text, default text, and then right here. So let's go for sample, and then just like that, and select your video clip and go here in the font section. So click on the fonts and just go for, you can also have presets right here if you'd like the presets of CapCut right here so that you'd have an easier time. But I'll just go for system font because this is where it's installed. And as you can see, here it is, it's Barbie, and here it is right here. And as you can see, I have now successfully installed the font right here, and I can just simply go and change it however I'd want now. So if you're looking where you can find free fonts, then I suggest you can go to delfont.com, and then from here you can download a lot of fonts for free, and you can even search the genre or however font you want. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.